Eid al-Adha is one of the most important festivals in Islam, celebrated by Muslims worldwide. It comes after the completion of the Hajj pilgrimage in Mecca and lasts for 3 days. Muslims celebrate Eid al-Adha by performing the Eid prayer in the early morning at the mosque or in open Eid grounds. The prayer has special rituals, with worshippers wearing their best clothes and exchanging greetings and congratulations after the prayer. During Eid al-Adha, Muslims also sacrifice animals, known as Qurbani or Udiyah. The meat is then distributed among the poor, needy, relatives, and friends. Grilled meat is also a major part of the Eid al-Adha meal. Eid al-Adha is an occasion to strengthen social and familial bonds, with people exchanging visits, gifts, and greetings. In some countries, various entertainment activities are organized during the Eid days, such as fairs, games, and artistic performances. Many Muslims around the world celebrate Eid al-Adha, whether they live in Islamic countries or elsewhere. Muslims usually feel joy and happiness during Eid al-Adha, wishing each other a happy and blessed year full of goodness and blessings.